Ramcharan's book this morning on the way here, and he talks about how to deal with this uncertainty. And our frequency has really got to improve, it's got to change. So we want to look at how we're doing on our key ratios, and all this has to be available to us whenever we want it. If अगर हम report मांगेंगे और कोई देगा तो सब पुराना हो गया, it's already too late. So we're talking about cost cutting, but does our stuff allow us the flexibility? So let's say I want to do a deep dive into our communication costs, and I see this spike here, don't like it, I want to go deeper into it, and let's say I select a particular year, I can actually track down to the voucher level, and so from a macro to a micro and back. So this is pretty much. Let me show you another very interesting application on productivity and performance. I talk about performance mirror. So you've seen a cockpit out there. So on my desk, and the first time I fell in love with technology was when I held the mouse for the first time. That was the Apple Mac mouse in 1984, and I drew a funny face. And I remember rushing into my girlfriend at that time, and we all love the iPhone and the iPod and all. Apple's come out with great stuff ever since. And when I found this stuff, I thought this is really sexy. So I'm a little, I consume this stuff. And Ramcharan, he talks about, where is it? So I want to show you a very, very boring application. Our accountants, they struggle. So if we have, for example, we pay VAT, so what do? We take out the sales register for a particular state, we take out the purchase register, we provide a summary. Now, ever since we developed this application, so all my accountant needs to do is file it on the web or whatever. So we saved 5 days of people digging out information and preparing a report. That's a complete waste of time. Most compliance reports don't add value, at least not to the business and not to the customers. The customers don't care whether we have taken 15 days to file a report or 2 days to file a report or 5 minutes. So I think we can, and I asked this question earlier, a couple of the speakers earlier, they didn't like that very much on fat. I remember Amir Khan in Gajni, and he looks wonderful, fat, lean, no fat, no sign of fat. Our fat is lying around in all our organization, and I believe it. It's lying in all over the place. So some fat is visible, some of it is invisible, and it doesn't show on the tummy like on human beings, but processed fat. So we have fat which is hiding around the corners, and we need to spot it, dig it out. So I've become an absolute I love using these tools to get business benefit, to help us make more money, to help our customers make more money. So we made, about 3 years ago, we had this discussion. We said, can we go in front of our customers? Our customers will listen to us, and so the last couple of years, we've done about 110 odd projects, in this country. And earlier we used to do small banks, the City Union Bank in Chennai, and now we do. They went to Barclays, and Barclays said, I don't have capex money, I don't have money, I have 10 lakhs. Can you do something? And we said, okay, we'll do something. And they loved it, and they said, this is better than the $1 million I spent in Singapore. And then we kind of we showed it to Citi, and Citi said, I need this. And HDFC and SBI, and today we work with all the big names. And we work with a small, not so if you look at Ritu Kumar, which is, when we did this stuff for the Ritu Kumar, they were like 30 crores. And they've grown exponentially. What's selling and stock outs and what products are not selling, where are we making money, where are we not making money. So IT is under leveraged. We don't use IT. We kind of we use it to the bare minimum, which is compliance. So moving on to what you said, possibilities. How anything is possible, and normally most of us operate in the world in the domain of probability.